Hey guys, MJ here from Nitecore Singapore. Did you just start a new career or job that involves working in low light areas? Right, day and night shifts or jobs where being able to see or be seen in the dark is important for your safety or even your team's safety. Right, then you're in the right place. Every frontline professional deserves to operate at their best, be it day or night. Right, but the problem with night conditions is you're only as efficient as your illumination tools. Right, so if you can't see, you can't see, right? Your efficiency drops, safety drops, risk increases. So my mission is to equip you with the right tools to get your job done easier, faster, and better than anyone else. So for many professionals, the push to buy a new light comes when they can't see where they need to see, right? Be it on patrol or inspecting shipping containers and so on. So they go out and buy a flashlight, and that's where many make the first mistake because there are so many out there. Right, from the scams to the lifestyle lights to the real pro level ones. Right, many will end up buying something like this from Amazon. Right, it will promise you 100,000 lumens with 2,000 meter beam distance, and when you receive it, this is what you get. Right, it's some kind of zoom function with a very random square pattern LED at the back. Right, it's far from what you expect from a real tactical light. Something like the P20i here. Right, this is what you call a tactical beam. So, and then you have to go out and spend money to buy another one, right? So I know I've been there, I've done it, I've seen so many of my friends go through the same learning curve, right? The good news is that now you don't have to. I spent the last 7 years in the flashlight industry, buying and getting access to lights, testing them myself, so you don't have to, right? So if you want to point out a target 200 meters away or light up a whole room, or so your team can pack their gear, I know the perfect light to do that. Alright, so in this guide, I'll show you what to look out for and why, so you don't have to waste money on things you don't need, or worse, buy the wrong light and then put your whole team or your own safety at risk. Because at night, as soon as the lights go out, your risk level increases exponentially, no matter where you're at or the kind of work you do. So once the lights go out, you can't see, you're in trouble. In the guide, I also cover potential problems you run into that you don't even know about yet, right? Like the light's not lasting as long as you need, right? You spend $200 on the light and then you realize, hey, it only lasts for 1 hour. What are you gonna do, right? So then what batteries do you buy, right? What chargers can charge your batteries the quickest, right? How come some lights, when you leave it overnight and the next morning it's still charging, right? How do you deal with that? Then how do you carry these batteries on the job safely, right? So you can't just have them rolling around in the pouch, right? So as you progress through your career, you start to face more obstacles like, how do I not only see, right, but be seen by others, right, by your teammates, or how do you mark out areas at night for others to see? Right, then if you need both hands to work in a dark area, you can't just be holding your light all the time, right? What should you use? How do you get a light up front and still have both hands free? What is the best option? Right, then wet weather starts to come in, or if your unit is doing a river crossing, how do you keep your electronics and batteries dry? How do you keep your medic pack or first aid kit dry but still carry on your person, right? And when it comes to off-duty work, say adventures, hobbies, or travel, you might not want to bring around your duty light all the time. So then what other alternatives there are that pack a punch but is still small and discreet enough to bring along? Right, so my goal at the end of this guide is to take you from being ill-equipped to, and then even unknowingly putting yourself in danger, to being properly equipped for any kind of low-light work. Right, you'll be someone who knows what to look out for, know what to pack, right, and be an advisor for your team or your company when it comes to any kind of low-light operations. So if you made it this far, I know for sure you have a problem that I can help with. So click the link below, enter your email, and you receive a link to the 3-step video guide that I've put together just for you that solves all the problems I mentioned earlier. Right, there's no cost to you at all. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, I hope that by giving you valuable knowledge up front, that you eventually decide to buy the lights from me. Right, so even if you don't, that's okay. As long as your problems are solved, then my job is done. I can't wait to see you get started on your journey to low light mastery. Right, so click on the link below, enter your email, and I'll see you on the inside.